And the race is on. Flores from the outside. Danehill Choi rushing out spin cycle. Deputy Stravinsky alongside is Hoy. Tama na, and Love or Money is the early trailer. Spin cycle by Hapalan Pal by Flores. Danehill Choi running in third. Danori inside is Deputy Stravinsky. Hoy. Tama na, and Love or Money. Rounding the far turn, spin cycle by Alankana Flores, Danehill Choi, Deputy Stravinsky is running by Daral Hoy, Tamana, Love or Money, racing towards the last 450 and going to the final corner, spin cycle by Alankana Flores from the outside, Deputy Stravinsky also rushing up and nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Spin cycle, Flores, Danehill Choice on the outside, but still spin cycle, and finally spin cycle, Flores, Danehill Choice close for fourth. Deputy Stravinsky, Hoy, tama na, Love or Money comes last.